Most local event websites are either outdated or hard to use, especially when it comes to sports, temporary exhibitions, city attractions, museums, various expos, etc. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to create a clean, modern events website for your city, and we will add two features that make it truly powerful: Map View and Calendar View using SpreadSimple. Map View and Calendar View are two essential features you need to maximize user satisfaction and improve the functionality. Calendar View helps users quickly see the timings of events, perfect for planning ahead, avoiding scheduling conflicts, and spotting busy weekends versus free days. Map View shows where events or attractions are located. It is a very helpful feature for major tourist hotspots. This makes it easy for users to plan routes and even discover new venues in their area. To show you how it works, I have created this tourist guide website. Let's quickly customize the design by adjusting colors, fonts, layout, adding the new image, etc., and move on to our two essential features. When travelers land on your website, they do not just want inspiration, they want clarity. They need to know when events are happening and where they're taking place, so they can fit them in their travel itinerary. That's why adding Calendar View and Map View to your tourist guide website is such a game changer. These features transform your site from a simple list of places into a dynamic travel planning tool. To set up Calendar View, you will need to add your event schedule to your Google Sheet, the data source behind your website. Create a new column called Date and make sure the column is formatted as Date. If not, your events won't appear correctly in the calendar. Once your dates are ready, head back to the SpreadSimple editor. In the Content tab, toggle on Calendar View and select your date column. You can decide what visitors see first when they open your site, the item list or the calendar itself. Either way, switching between views is just a single click. Want to display times too? That's easy. In your Google Sheet, change the format from date to date time. The colors of your events will automatically match your website's primary button style. If you'd like to brighten things up or match your branding, simply update your primary button settings and your calendar events will change colors too. This way, your calendar view becomes more than just functional. It's also visually aligned with your brand identity. If Calendar View helps visitors understand when to go, Map View helps them decide where to go. To set this up, go back to your Google Sheet and add a column called Coordinates. Then, copy the latitude and longitude for each venue from Google Maps. Right-click on the spot, copy its coordinates and paste them into your sheet. Do the same for every attraction, festival ground, or meeting point. In the SpreadSimple editor, open the Content tab, switch on the Map View toggle, and link your coordinates column. Just like that, your events appear as clickable markers on the map. Visitors can now switch between List View, Calendar View, and Map View to explore the city in whichever way feels most natural. The beauty of Map View lies in customization. Choose between Google Maps, Mapbox, or OpenStreetMaps, which is built in and ready to go. Use clusters to keep overlapping venues organized. Customize markers, pins, dots, or even themed icons to represent concerts, food festivals, or cultural tours. Set your default zoom level and map center so that visitors see exactly what matters most, maybe your entire city or just the lively historic district. With Calendar View and Map View, your website becomes a traveler's best friend. Instead of simply scrolling through the text, visitors can check exact dates and times for events, see locations on a map and plan routes, combine multiple activities into one smooth itinerary. The result? A clear, engaging, and practical resource that makes their trip easier and more enjoyable. Building a website doesn't have to be hard. With SpreadSimple, it's fast and fun. If this tutorial was helpful, like it, subscribe, and share your biggest online challenge in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!